Poor shot selection. Could have done better. Good field placements by the captain, and the bowler is responding well by bowling according to the field.
It's a quick delivery. Very difficult to get out of the way. He's a boundary hitter. That's one thing teams know about him.
Good call by the batsman. Very good running.
They are running hard, converting ones into twos and twos into threes. That's a difficult field to bowl to. Bowler has to be very tight with his line and length. Oh, he missed that one.
The bowler looks charged up and is bowling good lines.
Definitely wasn't expecting that. Superb bowling.
Good field placements by the captain, and the bowler is responding well by bowling according to the field.
Oh, excellent delivery. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman is all geared up to face his first ball.
Well played for a single. Huge appeal, but not out given by the umpire. Captain has placed a fielder at cover.
Oh, brute of a delivery.
Bowler bowling from his preferred end.
Good shot for a single. They are running hard, converting ones into twos and twos into threes.
I just sense a slower ball coming. Batsman running hard between the wickets, hoping for a second.
Running has been top class by both the batsmen. That's a wide. Has to bowl that one again.
That is smart bowling. batsman had to play that one.
Huge appeal, looks very close. They have decided to review it.
Right, checking for a no ball. Fair delivery, no problem. Can't see anything conclusive on Snickle. Can't see anything on the hot spot.
Huge appeal, but not out given by the umpire. Wide enough. Well left. What a fantastic ball. First up. Must feel for the batsman. The batsman is all set to face his first ball.
Confident appeal, but the umpire says not out.
With the field spread, batsmen should be able to rotate the strike easily. Bowled in. Misjudgment has cost the batsman big time. Delightful sight for any bowler. Bowler needs to be precise with their line and length with this field. Nicely played into the gap. Might get 2 runs if they run well.
Running has been top class by both the batsmen.
Fielder at deep extra cover for extra protection.
Appeal and the finger goes up.
Batsman doesn't look happy with that one, and he decides not to take the review. He's a very good player against spin.
He goes from top and in the gap as well.
Spinner brought back from the other end.
Slips in place. Good captaincy.
That is good bowling, making the batsman play. Unlucky to not get an edge.
He would be disappointed with himself. That was in his slot. He goes from top and in the gap as well.
Let's see where the next one's going.
Ball disappears. That's a top shot. He's looking in good touch here.
Batsman sees that coming and gets into a good position. Got it off the meat of the bat.
The bowler might need to change his line a bit here.
He hasn't hit that well at all. The fielder will take it.
Bowler bowling from his preferred end.
That's well played, playing into the vacant spaces.
It's one of the shots he plays so well.
Fast bowler into the attack.
Batsman is all geared up to face his first ball.
This is going to be a wide, missing his line there.
Bowler needs to be precise with their line and length with this field.
Brilliantly bowled. Batsman looking to play some shots but goes past the bat. Batsman is trying to switch gears looking at the current run rate. Works it wide of the fielder for a single.
Crucial to keep the scoreboard ticking with singles and doubles. Captain going for wickets. Slips in place.
Oh, he missed that one. He would be disappointed with himself. That was in his slot.
That sounded sweet. Very sweet indeed. Fantastic shot.
Crowd senses a flurry of boundary here. They are making some serious noise.
Well played into the gap. Can the batsman get two here?
Running has been top class by both the batsmen. Last ball of the innings coming up. He goes from top and in the gap as well.
End of the first innings. It won't be long for the openers to get ready and come back for the chase.